Let's see how to make this video. Open a new project. Go to Library. Select Background. Select to colors one light and other dark or as you like. Overlay the second color on top of the first color. Set the video ratio to 16:9. Enlarge the backgrounds to fit the screen. Click on the top layer and then click Mask and select Split. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees. This will divide the screen into parts. Now select Text. Adjust the size of the text clip to fit the background clip and enter the text you want. Set font and style. Go to Color and pick the color of one background. Copy and paste the text box and place it on top the first text box. Now click on the top text box and select the color of the second portion of the background. Create compound clips of both the text boxes. Keep on the second text box and go to Mask and select Split. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees and you will get the mixed color effect. To get a smooth color effect of the background, merge the colors by adjusting the feather to 100% as shown. You can adjust the feather as you like. This is the final result. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe for more updates. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below.